Annyeonghaseyo. Hello guys, my name is Francis Anna and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will be talking about my June mission for the K Influencer Academy. So I'm super excited about this June mission because the two topics are so amazing. So we're given two topics to discuss on. The first topic is Korean national holidays and their official anniversaries, and the second topic is combining Korean culture with the culture of your own country. So I'm super excited. I'll be going with the second topic, that's combining Korean culture with the culture of my country. Reason because I love Korean and my country folks, we all love Korean. I'm from Nigeria, and Nigerian folks, especially the ladies, we love Korean down from their music, the dance, and their beauty. Everything about Korean, we love them, down to their food. Yeah, I love Korean food, and was privileged to attend 2 to 3 of Korean cooking class, and I was able to prepare about 4 different Korean dishes, and also I learned how to eat them. So I had a nice experience. So I want to talk more about the similarities between Nigerian dishes and Korean dishes. They have a lot of similarities that we didn't know about. So in this video I'll be sharing more light on these meals that we eat and we see every single day, but we didn't know that they are similar with that of Korean. So stay tuned to this video and I hope to see you. So stay tuned and watch till the end, and I hope to see your positive comments, and let's have fun. See you guys. In this video I want to share the similarities and difference in Korean food and Nigerian food. So basically I'm going to be looking at 5 different food that we have similarity and differences in. So food is a necessity of human life. Like every human being, is important that we eat food every single day, and we know that we have different countries, and that's how we also have different varieties of food. In this video I will be showing the different variety of food in Korean and Nigeria and their similarities and differences. So first on my list is kimchi bibimbap and Nigerian jollof rice, also known as kimchi fried rice and Nigerian fried rice. So the reason why these two are placed together is because they have almost the same attributes. They involve the usage of rice in cooking or making it. Koreans, they make use of gochujang tangaru and gochujang, that's Korean chili pepper paste and Korean chili powder. We Nigerians, we make use of tomato paste and chili powder. We use different spices also, like salt and different variety of spices, to mention but few. Same thing with kimchi bibimbap. The only difference is rice. They use kimchi, and if you don't know kimchi is fermented cabbage. It's gotten from fermented cabbage. So in other words, they are almost the same. They have like similarities but also difference. They make use of rice for boats. Like when you want to make the boats, you make use of rice, and you make that's for the Korean fried chicken. You make use of gochujang tangaru and then gochujang, which is same thing in Nigeria as tomato paste. And the difference in Korea is called the difference between these two rice in Korea is called kimchi fried rice, while in Nigeria is called jollof rice. And you can see that the similarity of these two delicious meal is they are both red in nature, like they are super red, and it's definitely because of the usage of both tomato paste but with different ingredients. So first on my list on our different varieties of meal, so I'll just quickly jump to the second on our list. Meal on my list is Korean fried chicken and Nigerian fried chicken. Now this is like one of the most recognized snacks or meal in Nigeria and Korea because it involves chicken. And you know, the Koreans like chickens, the Nigerians like chicken, and so it is Korean fried chicken. That is the okay, the second on my list, it involves chicken. Like, yeah, it involves a lot of chicken, frying your chicken to make it super crispy and a little bit spicy. It's like a very affordable and common meal both in Korean and Nigeria. Not go without eating fried chicken on your meal or eating it alone. So that makes it a popular Korean meal and also a popular Nigerian meal. They are similarity but yet different. I think the Koreans enjoy it with beer. Yeah, if you're watching most K dramas, you're like, let's go have beer and chicken and all. While we Nigerians, we usually enjoy it maybe in our rice and all, but they're common meals and common snacks that we Nigerians and Koreans enjoy. A popular Korean meal and also a popular Nigerian meal, they are similar but yet different. So I'll quickly jump on the third on my list, which is drinks. So third on my list is drinks. Yeah, we have makoki in Korean, which is rice wine or rice drink, and then we also have palm wine, which is gotten from palm fruit. Makoki is gotten from rice, while palm wine is gotten from palm fruit. We Nigerians call them the people that get the wine from palm fruit as palm wine tappers. They have to climb the palm tree to tap the wine. Why same thing goes for makoki. It is gotten from fermented rice. So what makes it similar is the fact that first it is alcohol and it is gotten from plant-based meal like rice. It might not be necessarily plant-based, but it's gotten from food. So they're similar. So like rice, makoki is gotten from rice, like I said earlier, while palm wine is gotten from palm fruit. So what makes them more similar is that they both go through fermentation. Like you have to get the rice, you have to ferment, allow the rice to ferment. There's a process involved in making makoki, so it involves fermentation. Also same goes to the palm wine. In order to get a stronger version of the alcohol, you have to allow the palm fruit and the palm wine to ferment, so that the alcohol concentration will be high on both. So you can see both in colors, they have similar colors, and what makes them more similar but yet different is the fact that they are alcohol, and Korean call theirs makoki and Nigerian call theirs palm wine. So I'm super excited. So quickly I'm going to jump to fourth on my list. Yes. And the fourth on my list is Korean stew, jjimjang, and Nigerian stew. So a favorite variety for me of the Korean stew, that's the jjimjang, is the spicy Korean chicken stew, which is equivalent to the Nigerian chicken stew also. So what you need for this chicken stew, sometimes you can use soy sauce, you can use seafood, that's if you don't want to use chicken, and you can also use seafood also. So it's also same with Nigerians. If you don't want to use chicken, you can also use fish, and you can use goat meat and so on and so forth. So in Korean, they make use of gochujang in making this stew. So gochujang is like tomato and pepper paste, which is also used to make our stew. And we also use tomato paste and lots of pepper and onions to make our stew. So gochujang is also equivalent to that. So the Koreans use gochujang in making this stew, and why Nigerians use tin tomatoes to make it. So now this stew in Korean is called jjimjang, and Nigerian is called stew. And you can use it to eat different varieties of food. You can use it to eat spaghetti, you can use it to eat rice, you can use it to fry things, you can use it to garnish your chicken, you can use it to do a lot of things. So you can see that the similarities is in between them. They are also red in color, like they are so red, and they also make use of
similar ingredient. As Korean use gochujang, while Nigerian use tin tomatoes. So they are kind of similar but yet different, because in Korean you call it jinjang, while in Nigerian you call it stew. So you can see that they are similar but yet also different. So I'll quickly jump on the fifth on my list. That is roasted potato. So you know how in K-drama you see the street food where they roast potato. They usually roast it inside a big drum, in like a big drum like container. Like I see it in a lot of K-drama, so that's what I'm using as an example. So we also have a similar version here in Nigeria, but ours, we don't make use of big drum. We make use of something like a basin with a tray or a net on top. So we don't roast our potato inside a drum. We roast it on top of a basin with a tray or something like net on top. So you know, like in Korean, you have the roasted potato I've seen in Korean dramas. I've seen yellow, but I've not seen white. So Nigerians have yellow and white potato. So you can see like there are different varieties, definitely, of potatoes, but I've not seen white in Korean, but I've seen white in Nigeria. But there's still yellow in both country. So they have same kind of potatoes, and they eat it in the same kind of way as they roast it. So they are similar but yet different. All go through the process of roasting. So you all roast them in order to eat them. So they are very similar. So these are the 5 Nigerian and Korean meal that are similar but yet different. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you have seen that Nigerian and Korean have similar meals or food. So thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn off your notification button. I'll see you in my next video.